In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Trello. If you're ready to get started, let's begin by navigating to Trello.com. Now, this is the main hub where all your boards and tasks live, and first you'll want to click on the Login button. It should be toward the top right corner of your screen, a visible gateway to accessing your Trello account. Next up, you can choose to log in using your current email address or even your Google account. Just ensure you're able to access whichever method you choose, as you'll need to verify email changes later on. Once logged in, look for your account icon. Again, this is located in the upper right corner and it represents your profile. Clicking on it will bring you a step closer to managing your account settings. In the next step, you'll see an option called Manage Account. Give that a click. This leads you into the settings area where most of your key account information is stored and can be modified. Now let's shift our focus to updating the email information. Look for the option labeled Email. It's simple yet crucial since this is where you'll be making the change. Click on Email and prepare to enter the new email address you wish to associate with your Trello account. After inputting your new email address, the next thing you'll want to do is hit Save Changes. Saving is essential, it's what pushes through the new data into your account profile. Quickly checking your email inbox will be our next move. You'll receive a message prompting you to verify your new email address. Within this email there should be a button or link labeled Verify Your Email Address. Clicking this is important as it acts as confirmation of your email identity with Trello. Don't forget there's an additional step to actually verify this new email address. After clicking the verification email, you'll be prompted to enter your account password once more. Doing so ensures the security of your account, as Trello needs to confirm that you indeed are requesting the change. Finally, after entering your password, simply click on the confirm button. This action finalizes the update to your email address in Trello. Remember to always choose a secure password and keep your account details private. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your email on Trello in just a few easy to follow steps. Thanks for watching and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.